Ever wondered if your car is smarter than you think? It probably is, thanks to artificial intelligence. Forget the sci-fi movies where cars fly and talk back. AI isn't some distant future concept for our vehicles. It's already here, working behind the scenes every time you get behind the wheel. Think of AI as your car's digital brain. It's the technology that helps your car see the world around it. Think about what's happening and make split-second decisions to keep you safe. So, what does this iBrain actually do? Well, if your car has features like lane keeping assist, that little nudge you feel when you drift out of your lane, that's AI. Or how about adaptive cruise control, where your car automatically slows down and speeds up to match the car in front of you on the highway? Yep, that's AI too. And of course, the big one, self-driving technology. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are using incredibly advanced AI to teach cars how to navigate complex city streets all on their own.